Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd create this updated video today to show you the best 99 nights in the forest script. This is a keyless script working on all platforms, so you can do this on your desktop and mobile device such as iOS and Android, and this is going to give you tons of admin commands, and this script allows you to bring all items, get infinite lives, and you can spawn all characters and pets and animals. Basically guys, this script is the best currently working 99 nights in the forest Roblox script, so make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe, because I do plan on making updated tutorials as and when they're needed. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the video and show you how to get this 99 nights in the forest script working in 2026 on iOS and Android. So as you can see here guys, I've been using my mobile phone for this. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well, and as you can see, I've been searching the internet, and this script is the best working one for 99 nights in the forest. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone and head on over to www.speedyplugin.com. so you just type it exactly like this guys, Speedy Plugin, and it's going to bring you to this sort of modded app store. There's the 99 nights in the forest one straight away. It's the most popular one on this website, but you can scroll through. If you can't find it for whatever reason, there is a search bar here where you can type in 99 nights in the forest and it should pop up guys. So this is the script here guys. This is going to get you bring all items, troll, unlimited diamonds, invincibility, free respawns, and everything guys. And this is by far the best 99 nights in the forest script working today. So just follow through the steps that I'm showing you. It takes just a few minutes guys, and this is a script working on all devices. So as you can see, you need to follow the instructions here to install your script. Long story short, you need to complete 2 of the 3 offers below to install your free plugin / mod. In this case, it's the script. So you need to just complete a couple of tasks here. They're all completely free, and they're simple things like installing and playing mobile games and applications, maybe surveys as well if they're available for you. You just got to make sure you do follow the description guys, and once you do that, that is going to install the script or mod on your phone, so you can literally go ahead and play your Roblox app. So you open up 99 nights in the forest and you're going to have all of the commands and the script available, so it just basically will automatically open up as you play the game. And that is it guys. So head on over to Speedy Plugin and then navigate your way to the 99 nights in the forest script and just follow through the steps you've seen in this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.